guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Y'all, today I went to Vans and I was in for a surprise. So when I got there, guys, I learned of a campaign that Vans and Crayola have together. Now, you guys know my teacher behind went crazy. So guys, they had all these beautiful, colorful shoes that they collab with, and y'all, I absolutely loved every pair. So here are some of the pair of the shoes that I'm going to show you guys. Aren't they beautiful? And then I went close in so you guys can see what it's about. I'm going to read it for you. So this campaign is basically Vans and Crayola coming together to create a colorful collection of footwear and apparel that celebrates everyone's creativity and the colorful way that they express themselves. Oh my God, I absolutely love this cause. As you guys know, I'm a kindergarten teacher. I love colors. Not only do I love colors, but my students love colors, and colors is a way for us to express ourselves. So I was all in. Now, these shoes, y'all, oh my God, aren't those crayon shoes so cute, y'all? I wanted these shoes so bad, but they only had them in youth. I was gonna be killing the kindergarten game if I came in my students seeing these. But they did not have my size. I even had the salesman to look them up to see if I can get these shoes made in my size. But yeah, they didn't have them. Okay, so yeah, I went to the website because I want you guys to really see this collection. So I just scrolled down on the Vans Time Crayola Collection so you guys can see some of the shoes and some of the apparel that they have for this collaboration. I absolutely love it. I am going to go back and I think I'm going to go get some more stuff because I just love it. Oh my God. Who don't love colors? Who don't love Crayola? Who don't love Vans? I love Vans. Y'all, I had to click on these crayon shoes. I wish they had these in my size. I would have totally bought those, y'all. All right, let me go back. But yeah, these are the shoes and some of the apparel that they have for the Crayola collection. All right, that's it, y'all. All right, guys, so now to this unboxing so I can show you guys exactly what I got when I went to the store, okay? So what I got a pair of the Crayola Vans, and I just got a t-shirt. Like I stated before, I'm going to go back and I'm going to buy some more stuff out of that collaboration because I just love what it stands for. I just think that it's so amazing. I think creativity is amazing, and y'all, that just really just stole the day for me. So yeah, I'm going to unbox here. All right, and I'm going to show you guys the shoes that I got in the shirt that I got from the Crayola Vans collection. All right, guys, so here are my shoes. This box is super, super cute. Y'all see it on that Vans Crayola. And then look at this. Y'all know I'm going to keep this, and I might color this and make this box out of something. Y'all know teachers got to be creative. All right, so I'm about to open this and show you guys my shoes. All right, I'm super excited, y'all. Oh my God. All right, guys, here are the Crayola shoes that I got, and I absolutely love them. Y'all, look how detailed these shoes are. Aren't they beautiful? Look at them. They got the rainbow, they got the colors, they got the different crayons. Y'all, it's just I love it. I absolutely love it. So as you guys can see with the shoes, it's laced with the white shoelaces. Now, I didn't even know this, but look right here. They actually have some Crayola style laces in here. Let me see if I can take them out so I can show you guys how they look. Oh my God. Okay. I didn't even know it had a second set of laces. Oh, this is so cute. I gotta show y'all these laces. Hold on. Alright, so here are the laces. Look at this. So it's not plain. Yup. Before the video cut off, I was just saying, don't you guys just love it? So I love this. Love, 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 love. So yeah. But these are the shoes that I got. Super cute. I love them. And y'all, they so detailed. They are so nice and so detailed. And look Look at the back, y'all. Look at the back. Like you walking on colors. Like you just. This is so nice, y'all. Look at that. I love it. My kindergarten babies are going to love these shoes. And I tried them on in the store, y'all. They were so comfortable. Like, I cannot. It's taking everything out of me not to wear these tomorrow. And I might wear it tomorrow because I'm just so excited about this collection. All right, so I'm going to show you guys these shoes more in detail. I'm going to hold my camera down so that you guys can really see them like out of my hand. Okay? All right, hold on. All right, so let's move this receipt because they're always trying to tell on somebody. All right, y'all, so these are the shoes. And I want you guys to see the shoes really, really good. So this is the right shoe. Look how detailed that is. Super, super cute. This is the left shoe. Super cute. Love, love, love. Look at the inside. So aren't those shoes super dope? Oh my God, I love them. They're so cute. They're so comfortable. Y'all, I recommend to go try those out, especially if you want to just express yourself, if you like colors. It's just a beautiful campaign that Vans have going. All right, the last thing that I want to show you guys, not only did I get the shoes, but of course when I get shoes and I get different things, I have to have a matching shirt, a matching bag, whatever they have. So I didn't go overboard. I just bought me a matching shirt. I'm going to go back and get some more. But I just want to show you guys the shirt that I bought, okay? So this is the shirt that I got. Look how cute that is. It says Vans and Crayola. And then, y'all, on the back, it has a beautiful colored picture on the back. And this is the shirt that I chose to get to match my shoes. Alright guys, so that was my Vans Crayola collaboration unboxing. I hope that you guys enjoyed that. Y'all, as y'all can see from the smile, I'm super excited about it. I love it, love, love, love it. And I cannot wait to support that campaign or collaboration soon, really soon. But yeah, I hope you guys liked it. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And Miss Lockett, we'll see you guys in the next video. And I will do another video when I do wear it. I probably wear it sometime this week to school, just on a relaxed day. I might wear it tomorrow. Who knows? I don't know. I might wear it, but be looking out for that. It probably won't be a full video. It probably will be a short, just to show you guys how I styled my shoes and my Crayola shirt. All right, y'all. See y'all in the next video. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at Teacher Fashion on Lock_ETC.